morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, January 4th. I'm Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar with this morning's market report. And we start the day, at least I do, as I do every day, looking at the economic calendar to see if there are going to be any market-moving announcements. And today, January 4th, there are several at 10 a.m. ISM Manufacturing Index might come in a little higher than expected, although the medium forecast is a little lower than previous month. But nevertheless, I don't think it's going to move the market. Job openings also, I don't think it's going to move the market. Moving over to the morning news and looking at the futures, all the flags are green. The 10 years Treasury's up a bit, but we expected that. That's going to be a gradual trend upward, and at some point it is going to affect stocks, but there's nothing negative in the news. It's same old about COVID, and Elizabeth Holmes was found guilty on 4 of the charges, but again, that's not going to be market moving. Unfortunate for those who invested in her company, and for Elizabeth, of course, but nevertheless, greed, that's what greed will get you. Talking about greed, let's move over to the S&P E-mini. Now, this is yesterday's chart, and for those of you who have been watching my videos for a while, you know that I calculate Taylor's book numbers. Actually, it's Taylor plus a few other things that I calculate each evening after the market closes, and I draw a rectangle, an area on my chart to indicate areas of support and resistance that are projected for the following day. And yesterday, January 3rd, first day of trading for 2022, the market opened and immediately went to the bottom of our trading range to our support number at 47.52. Strange how these calculated numbers have a degree of accuracy, right? Fell down from all the way up here down to 47.52 and then bounced higher. Again, constrained by resistance, our calculated resistance, down to the close of Friday, the last day of 2021, and again up to our calculated resistance point. And the important thing to remember is number one, as you can see, these calculated ranges are indeed accurate, and number two, the day started and ended at exactly the same point. We started up here at 47.85, finished at 47.85. So all in all, it was a trader's day. A momentum move immediately down. This is a 3-minute chart. A momentum move, which if you caught it right, you could have gone home and taken the rest of the day off at about 9:40. So actually even earlier than that. So that was yesterday. What's in store for us today? Well, I have my trading range drawn out for today. And the futures, as we can see, has gone higher overnight. And I'm not going to show you the trading range because if you would like to know the trading range and get these numbers every day so that you can set up your chart for the following day, check out my site at timelessdollar.com. I have a new announcement where I am going to provide a trading range service by subscription. It's going to be terrific, and it's going to profit a lot of people. Anyway, this is Tuesday, January 4th. I'm Marv Eisen. Thanks for watching. Trade safely, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.